Mathinik learners, welcome back to our Master Algebra series. Today, we're moving to another essential topic, terms, coefficients, and like terms. Don't worry, we'll keep everything simple and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, let's talk about terms. A term is a single part of an algebraic expression. It can be a number, a variable, or a number multiplied by a variable. For example, in the expression 3x plus 5, the terms are 3x and 5, two terms separated by the plus sign. Now, let's look at the next idea, coefficients. A coefficient is the number that multiplies the variable. It tells you how many of that variable you have. In 3x, the coefficient is 3 because it means 3 times x. If you see 7y, the coefficient is 7. If there's no number in front, like in x, the coefficient is actually 1, because x means 1 times x. Pretty simple, right? Now, let's talk about like terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. The coefficients can be different, but the variable part must match. For example, 3x and 5x are like terms because they both have x. You can combine them because they represent the same kind of thing. But 3x and 3y are not like terms because x and y are different variables. And 4x and 4x squared are not like terms either because the powers of x are different. Let's look at an example. In the expression 2x plus 7x minus 3, the like terms are 2x and 7x. Since they're like terms, we can combine them. 2x plus 7x becomes 9x. Then we bring down the constant, so the expression becomes 9x minus 3. That's how easy it is to simplify expressions using like terms. So here's a quick recap. Terms are the parts of an expression. Coefficients are the numbers in front of variables. And like terms are terms with the same variable and the same exponent. And that's it for today's lesson. You're doing great! You're building a strong foundation in algebra. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Mathinik, and get ready for Lesson 3, Simplifying Expressions Using Like Terms. Thanks for learning with me, and remember, don't just learn math, think like a Mathinik.